Hi. Hello. Natalia Faust here, and today I'd like to tell you about one of the affordable sources of drinking water. So I've been already saying this multiple times and I was posting on Facebook, but today I really was like blown away. And because we think we go to the store and we pay our money and we get safe water, and today I was just like, I'm gonna check it out. So I went to Walmart, and there's machines like vending machines where you come and you pay your money, you put your money over there. And I asked this young gentleman how much does he pay. He said $1, maybe 29 cents, $1.29 for a gallon. So he has a big canister. He said you have to invest in this money. I said, well, you have to invest. That's okay. So he is getting for two people a month. He gets 6 jugs, 5-gallon jugs. And that's how much they drink of this water. Well, I calculated, I think it's like $30. Maybe I'm wrong, but you can check it, So I just wanted to come here and tell you that stuff. So you have to be we're 75% of water. And this water is the solvent. All biochemicals reactions come in water. Every single thought, everything happens in water. And what I want to really say, this is not my first time. I've been in many local supermarkets, or this time I'm talking particularly about Walmart, because I went over there and there is a machine, big machine, when you put your money and get the water. So, and I kindly ask, because I always carry with me all this kind of stuff with me, I'm always ready to check the water to help people, because I help people to know the truth about water. I help people with water. I always share information that is, that we have to know to be safe, because I have children, you have children, we have families, and we have to know the truth. Okay, here's the truth. So I got the water, he let me feel it, and I didn't want to do this making sense. I came home and I just like, okay, it's what I'm gonna do. Well, I checked. I specifically put white shirt. When it is yellow, it means that's how much chlorine you have in your water. And that water basically has chlorine. You think that you're gonna pay money, you're gonna go affordable. Hi, Herlinda, welcome. So you're gonna think that you're gonna pay money, you're gonna feel safe. But you know what? If we only gonna talk about chlorine in this water that you just paid money, you were thinking that you're not gonna drink tap water, and there is so much chlorine. And chlorine is very aggressive chemical. They put in the water chlorine to disinfect it. It acts as a pesticide, as antibiotic. It kills all the bacteria in the water. And do you think they choose to put because it's the most effective? No, it's because it's the most cheap and the most affordable. That's why they put chlorine to kill pathogens. And when you drink that chlorinated water, imagine what happened to your microflora. Do we have a lot of issues right now, of gut issues? I think a lot. People are struggling with gut health, and that's what I wanted to tell. So that water, and this is another thing what it has. So basically this is reverse osmosis water, which is when you drink reverse osmosis, it has no minerals, it doesn't have any hydrogen in it, and that's why it doesn't have any electrolytes, and it basically takes out of our body electrolytes, depletes our body. Where does it take? Where it gets the minerals out of body? Out of your bone, out of your tissue, out of your cartilage. It is bad. So I don't want to talk about a lot, but I wanted to tell. That's what they put in this water. And you think that you paying your money, this $30 a month, is going to be a safe solution for you. No, it's not. So this is just little thought for you. I know where everybody try to save money. I remember when I was looking for safe drinking water, when we had a refrigerator without filter. So I was buying at Walmart little filter and I was putting over there, and it was beeping after like 2-3 weeks that it's ready to change. So, and I paid, I don't know, maybe $40 a month, maybe, or 20, I don't remember. So I was thinking this is the cheap way and it is safe way. And year by year I learned what it is, and especially if I work in this industry. So now I totally know it is not worth to believe those vending machines. Seriously, just think for yourself. Just buy this filter at Walmart, or if you want to get higher, if you want to get hydrogen rich water, if you want to improve your immune system, clean Kangen water is the best choice. It cleans your colon, it detox your body, it gives you energy, helps you absorb all the minerals that from your food, from your vitamins. So I think this is the best choice. But I'm saying if you want to save money, it's the best choice probably buy a filter than just go into Walmart and pay money for chlorinated water. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.